Introducing Rusal, Gardenia jasminoides of the family Rubiaceae. Rusal is also called gardenia. Rusal is a shrub that can reach heights of up to 3 meters. Leaves are opposite, oblong lanceolate to 10 centimeters long, glossy and dark green. Flowers are white and fragrant, up to 6 centimeters across. Rusal is a native of China and Japan. It was introduced to the Philippines at an early period and is cultivated in towns and cities throughout the Philippines. It is propagated by cuttings. Gardenia essential oil is beneficial for individuals experiencing poor digestion, low sex drive, coughs, colds, flu, inflammatory conditions, chronic pain, a weakened immune system, anxiety, stress, freeze wounds, low milk production, and poor circulation.